In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add emojis on your messages in Slack Workspace. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to combine your messages with emojis, then it is pretty simple. So first, go ahead and write your message, and to combine it with emoji, head down here and you'll see emoji. So if you click on this, you can see we have quite a number of emojis you can use. To see more emojis, just scroll down and you'll see quite a number of them. And the list, it is so long. So identify the emoji that you want to add and click on it and it will be added. If you want to change the color of that emoji that you have just added, just click on the emoji and it will change its color. And you can see this is emoji tone 6. If I click, this is the first one. I can have tone 2, tone 3, and the more you click, the more the emoji changes. So you can add as many emojis. If you want to add another of the same, just click here and you'll see we have an option to add according to your preferences. So that's how you can add an emoji. Should you want to download your own emoji, you can still go back here and then scroll down and click on add emoji, and here you'll have to download an image and this will take you to your computer to add your emoji. So that's how you can add emojis on your Slack messages. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.